It's back to school season, and that means it's a great time to hit the grocery store and take advantage of all the sales that are going on. And even if you don't have kids in school, you can still take advantage of all the savings. It's also a good time to start planning your meals rather than winging it when you walk in the door. So here's a tasty way to make chicken tenders that are both adult and kid-friendly. We start with a basic batter that's made by combining a beaten egg with some chicken broth, a splash of milk, a bunch of seasonings, and a good amount of self-rising flour. After it's mixed well, we dip some floured tenders into it and then into some hot oil to crisp up. We're going to want to do this in batches so we don't overcrowd the pan. Once they're golden, we drain them on a rack or on some paper towels. While they sit for a sec, we'll throw together a honey mustard sauce that's irresistible. You see, with each bite, you get the crispiness of the coating, the juiciness of the chicken, and the sweet and tanginess of the sauce. So do yourself a favor. Head over to our website to get the recipe for what we call the best chicken tenders ever, along with the sauce recipe. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tender and juicy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.